Hey, welcome back, everybody. So, for those of you who don't know, Jobber's doing free websites now. So, if you have Jobber, you're just going to get a free website with them. They're pretty simple websites, but what I want to do now is just take you and show you instead of trying to describe it. So, I'm going to bring up a Jobber account over here, and we're just going to click on through and let Jobber create our website for us and just see how that goes. All right, so this is my home screen on Jobber. I'm always going to start every single video about Jobber from this home screen. Let's come down here on the left-hand side to this marketing tab, click on marketing, and under marketing, we're going to come to website, click on website. And like I said, this is just going to automatically make your website for you. So let's come over here to create website. And I'm doing this for the first time. You're going to find out along with me how well this actually works. Describe what sets Bulletproof Handyman demo account apart from competitors. So now I'm going to take a moment and I'm going to type in a description here. I do want to advise you, by the way, go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to help you with this. It will help you write the paragraph that you're going to stick into here. But I'm going to write this out real quick because we're just doing an example website anyways. Okay, so here's what I have. Bulletproof Handyman is a veteran-owned and operated handyman service in Tucson, Arizona, with a lifetime of experience in the home repair and construction trades. We serve property management companies exclusively and are highly in tune with the unique needs of a property manager to keep their tenants and homeowners happy. Our pricing is largely standardized and very fair and in line with the industry. Whether your jobs are large or small, we have the knowledge, experience, and logistical structure in place to handle all of your needs. So I didn't put a whole lot into this, right? This is just a basic description. Their AI is going to take over and turn this into a website. So let's see what happens next. Add your Google business profile. Now, I don't have a Google business profile, number one, for this demo account. And number two, I don't have a Google business profile for my actual handyman business because we only service property managers. We only want or need a few clients. So we're not trying to get our names out there. So I'm going to skip this part, but just know that if you do have a Google business profile, this is where you can attach it and it's going to gather a lot of info from there, including your reviews, and attach them to your website. So skip and create website. Now, one thing I'll tell you while this is thinking is that this website is going to be very generic, and then you're going to be able to edit it to change the wording to match wording that you would like to use, and you're going to be able to edit it in terms of replacing the pictures and stuff. This website is free if you have a Jobber account, and it's also going to come with your little request button, maybe even your online booking. We'll find out. Again, I haven't done one of these yet. Now, ignore everything over here on the right. This is for editing. So far, this is the website here. We've got a picture that we can replace, of course. We've got our title. We've got a phone number just right up front and center right there. That's not my real number, so don't be trying to call it. Email, get an estimate. So this is the request form right here. You've got your client login. And right here, we've got, it says property management, fair pricing. Okay, so this is like a bullet list of what we think is good about ourselves, what we think our selling points are. There's another picture we can replace. Got a list of services offered, I assume. Yep, right over here. We're going to be able to edit that. About us. Bulletproof Handyman is a veteran-owned and operated handyman service in Tucson. Is this going to be exactly? Okay, this is exactly what I typed. So you may want to put a little more time than I put into this, but this is going to be apparently verbatim what you type. So I do recommend using ChatGPT or Grok or one of the other AIs to help you write this in the best way possible. Another picture we can replace. Frequently asked questions. Okay, and is there going to be... Yep, there's the FAQs, so you can go ahead and edit those over there. Contact details. So right here, this is an embedded request form where they can actually request without... If they click on this get an estimate, that's going to also drive them to a form to fill out to make a request. But it looks like down at the bottom, they've also embedded your request form. There's the submit button for that and another get an estimate button. So now let's see about editing this thing real quick. So first of all, oh, we can edit this. Okay, Bulletproof Handyman demo account.jobbersites.com. There we go. So that's going to be the URL for this. It says we can edit it. So I guess you can just kind of change this to whatever you want if it's available. We'll go ahead and save that. Header is going to be, oh, the header image. There we go. So let's change image, and we'll click on upload image. We're just playing around with this. So how about if this is our new image? All right, you know, whatever you want it to be. I'm not trying to make this a nice site. Let's change image again, upload image, and we'll do, oh, here we go. I love this picture of me and my wife. Upload image. There we go. Oh, I didn't need that. Close that out. There we go. So as you can see, it's that easy to change the image up top. Header image, header text. Your reliable handyman service in Tucson. So that's going to be that header text right there. I'm fine with that. But clearly, if you wanted to change it, just as an example, you can say, we fix problems. Boom. We fix problems. And now it says we fix problems. Service area serving the Tucson and surrounding area. Very easy to edit, as you can see. We could just say serving Tucson, and boom, we've edited the site. How about primary button label says get an estimate. So you can change the label of the button. I'm fine with it saying get an estimate. Let's go ahead and, do we want to save and publish that so far? Actually, nope, let's back up because we're not trying to publish the whole site, right? So we're just going to hit that back button, come out of the header. Let's go into featured content. What do we have here? Title. Okay, featured content. So this is going to be our bullet list down this left-hand side right here for our featured content. So also clearly you can change the title and the description of each of these to make it whatever bullet points you think sell your business the best. And let's see, show section. Okay, so you can hide the section altogether if you don't want to show that section at all. Let's change that image, change image, upload image, and we'll come down to, how about this one? Upload image, boom. It's clearly going to crop that image, so you're going to want to crop ahead of time, most likely. Let's see, yeah, because we can't move this around. So you'll want to have your image cropped into that shape before you put it in here. Otherwise, it's going to crop it however it wants. Again, I'm just playing around with it, showing you how it works. So reset to default. Let's go ahead and reset that. That's not a bad image there. And then again, we're going to hit this back button because we're not going to save and publish it. We just want to back up to the editing page again. Services, add or edit services. Obviously, I mean, you can just keep putting these guys in here. Y'all have my downloadable jobs list with pricing. If you don't know about that, you go to the description of this video or any of my videos, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on the link, take that link through, and you'll get to my downloadable documents. One of those documents is a spreadsheet called, it may be called 2025 Expanded Jobs List or Expanded Jobs List 2025, or it may be called Jobs List with Pricing, but look for a jobs list. And I've got it broken down into sections. So you got like windows and doors, electrical, plumbing, cabinetry, flooring, etc. So you should be able to just fill these in with the services that you offer. And that's good enough for that. I'm not going to adjust the services. Reviews. Okay, so this is a section I don't have. If this was connected to your Google account, then this would be able to actually pull your reviews. And there'll be a spot right on this website for you that shows your reviews from your Google account. If you have really bad reviews, then you can toggle it off, I assume. So maybe don't have it on there if your reviews are bad, but also maybe change your business up so your reviews get better. About Us. Let's look at that section. There's the About Us. This is verbatim exactly what I typed. So you can edit that all you want. You can change your picture, obviously, again, by just clicking on upload or clicking on change image and then clicking on upload image. We'll back out of that. FAQs. This is one I actually did want to see. So you can do your own. You can delete these questions and put in your own questions. These websites, this is not intended to be your business's main #1 website from here to eternity, right? If you're small, if you're just getting started and you don't have the time to build a website, you don't have the money to hire somebody to build a website. By the way, I also recommend Wix, and I have a link in the description for Wix. I think Wix will build you a gorgeous website, an absolutely stunning website with their AI. Better than this, to tell you the truth. And I'm not pooping on this. It's just Wix, that's what they do. That's what they specialize in. And Wix charges you money for it. Jobber isn't charging anything for this. This is a free website, so it's going to be fairly basic. And then when you're ready, then you can go ahead and go get your real website. And by the way, you should be able to redirect everything over to that new website if and when you do get a new website. So we're going to back out of the frequently asked questions. And finally, down at the bottom is your request form. And just so you know, you can do this from your Jobber account, which is actually where it's taken us now. This is your request form. You can add new questions into your request form. You can tell it to make certain things mandatory or to not make certain things mandatory. But this is your request form that you will come to. Yeah, here we go. Here's our website, and down at the bottom, they've embedded this request form. I think this is ready to go, honestly. I mean, if you're in a position where you're just starting your handyman business, you need a CRM and you need a website. This is both in one. It's pretty affordable. Their core plan is very, very affordable compared to all the other CRMs as well. And then they have more levels you can get up to. Also, by the way, I do webinars, not every Saturday, but just about every Saturday on how I do the administrative side of my business. So importing jobs, getting them assigned and scheduled, getting them invoiced, getting estimates written, etc. So do go to the description of this video or any of my videos to sign up for those webinars as well. I'll show you how I do these things in the Jobber software, and you can go in and see how I do them and see if it's going to be right for you also. And of course, there is a link for a free trial of Jobber in the description of this video and all my videos. It's a 14-day free trial, and if you choose to purchase at the end of your trial, you're going to get 20% off for the first 6 months. Otherwise, this is the, let's see, I'm not going to go just yet. Hold on, save and publish. Let's go ahead and save and publish, publishing website. Your website is now online. Yay, view website. Let's see what our website, so if somebody types in your website and goes there, this is what they're going to see. Again, it'll be your pictures. It'll be your business name. It'll be, all of this is customizable to say and be exactly what you want it to be. It's nothing fancy, but I tell you what, it is free. So with all that being said, I love you guys. I hope you're out there killing it, and I'll see y'all on the next one.